Hey, what's up guys? We are in New York City today. I'm with my dad and my brother.
What's up?
We're going to the Jacob Javits Center because inside there is a New York Times travel show. There will be a lot of brands there related to the travel industry, and since I make content about travel, it might be a good opportunity to meet some new people.
And find some places to go.
And find some new places to go, yeah. But it's raining right now, so I'm gonna put my camera away. We'll see you inside.
This is like Epcot. Like VidCon.
Welcome to Italia. We got some pasta to try here. Magnifique. I don't even know what's a good word in Italian. Yum.
Muy bueno.
Muy bueno. Misha, I found the Serbian pavilion. So when I was in India, the last place I visited was a beautiful city called Kerala. Actually, Kerala is a state. Do you even know that? They don't even know that. Kerala is a part of India, and these lovely ladies are working as some beautiful faces to represent the tourism board for Kerala.
Yes.
But if you remember when I was in India and I couch surfed and I went to the beautiful waterfalls with Abi and his mother and his friend, that was in Kerala. And what's your name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie's about to go there, right?
I'm going. Yeah.
Well, Stephanie's about to get a YouTube channel.
Oh,
Do you have one yet?
Not yet, but you can follow me. My Instagram is Bella Bombshell.
Bella
So
Bombshell.
you should check it out.
Sweet. So we just got approached by...
Here, places worth sharing.
Cool. So can you tell us about it?
Yeah, pretty much we are a crowdsourced map of the world. So you document everywhere you're going. We've deactivated the selfie camera because it's about places, not faces. And everything is real time, real place. So there's no camera upload, so no memes, no screen grabs. You've got to actually be at the location to post at the location.
Very cool.
So here's a map of New York, everywhere that I've been over the last couple of days, all geotagged exactly where you can find it. So you no longer have to be like, where's that beautiful picture, where's that beautiful place, you know exactly. Everything's in context of place. Instead of in a vacuum newsfeed where you don't know where it came from, it's boom, I know exactly where to find it.
That's
so
awesome.
yeah, gethere.com, available on iOS and Android. Right now we're still beta testing, so you could be one of the first users. Go grab your first name as your username, at Steven, at Adam, at David, at Jessica, and be one of the first people to sign up and use it.
So I'm on a mission to find two vloggers right now, and I think I just found them. What up? Yo. Steven, my man, how's it going, brother? How you doing? My name's Steven as well.
Oh, you're
and Cody.
Hey, how's it going?
What's up?
What's up? Your name's Steven?
Yeah.
Nice.
Good name, good name. If you haven't heard of them already, you probably have. Come on, if you're watching travel videos, these are two
Thank you, man.
two expert travelers right here, the exploring crew.
Yeah, we'll get out on a trip sometime. Maybe we'll meet up in the Philippines. I'd love that.
Yeah, they might be coming to the Philippines, so maybe we'll see them in more videos. Getting some info about Philippines because I'm going there very soon.
It's more fun.
Met my buddy Joey.
Yeah.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Here we go.
We're gonna see for ourselves. We left a travel show. That's pretty good. Met some people, talked to some tourism boards.
Now we're gonna take the subway to the World Trade Center. I haven't been inside the new building, so we're gonna check that out.
Yeah, he wants to go to the World Trade Center, so we're headed down there now. Eric!
What's up, man?
What's up, man? I'm Steve.
Eric.
Pleasure to meet you. So walking down the street, happened to run into Eric Conover.
What's up?
Hey, are you going to the travel show by any chance?
I am.
Cool, we just came here.
How was it?
It's good, it's good.
Yeah?
I mean, very tourism
But that's
related.
good. Tourism boards are good. They send us around the world.
A lot of tourism boards. A lot of tourism boards. All right, so it's a full day of just meeting vloggers. We're waiting for Casey Neistat to appear. Where's Casey?
What's the bottle?
Anyone see Casey?
We're at the Freedom Tower, otherwise known as the World Trade Center.
This is a big building. It goes so high up. Ah, it makes me feel so tiny. That doesn't look like New York.
Look, see, it's going through a timeline.
Oh,
So
time lapse of New York City.
1780, now it's 1800.
Oh wow.
over my years.
Welcome to One World Observatory.
Wow.
That was cool.
One shot?
That was by far the coolest elevator ride I've ever been on. Seeing the time lapse of New York City develop around us as we're actually going out. That was really cool. We are currently at the observation deck of One World Trade Center, which is where the World Trade Center was, and they built the Freedom Tower, which we are now in, and this view is incredible. Oh yeah, the best way to exit a building in a spinny door. Alright, just leaving One World Observatory. What did you guys think?
That was the coolest experience ever in my life.
Really?
I think. Well, I mean, you went around the world.
Yeah.
But like for me, that's been here. Like that was crazy.
It was a good view. What do you think, Dad?
Epic.
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 Next level epic. So a little vlogger nerd action going on right now. We're currently standing across from Casey Neistat's studio. What? We're gonna get closer, but you can see the Beam logo, and up there is actually his studio. So, but all the lights are off right now. He's obviously not there. But
It says you can't enter the building.
no selfies.
Yeah.
Steven, I got one little bit of travel advice for you.
What's that?
Just remember this. Wherever you go, there you are.
Alright, so we're going to get some pizza. And what's so special about this place, Dad?
Well, first of all, this is where I used to eat pizza when I worked in the city. I worked on Van Dam. It's a pizza place on Spring Street. And after I stopped working there, I didn't even know it. I'm watching a movie, Back to the Future 2, and boom! They were in
Back to the Future?
Not Back to the Future.
Try it again.
Men in Black 2. I didn't even know it. I'm watching a movie and boom, there it is. The place I used to have lunch all the time. And a lot of scenes were filmed in there.
So we're going to get some pizza. That was very fast. I think he's excited to go get this pizza.
I'm gonna wait a few minutes. Oh, good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, we got some pizza. Some good pizza. Woo! The pizza was delicious.
Stuffed.
It was a great day. Did you guys have fun?
And more than just fun, I had a blast.
Look at that. We're about to get on this subway right now, get to the car, and head back home. So we're gonna end the vlog right here. Hope you enjoyed exploring with us. Peace out, guys.